Hi, I'm Jeff Holmes and you're watching Holmes Away From Home Travel Channel. Today I want to give you a little bit of insight about the channel and talk a little bit about what we love to do and the content we like to share. One of the things I can tell you a little bit about myself is I grew up in southern Indiana. So if you know anything about Indiana, it's the Midwest, so you have your classic winter time, you got your classic summertime, and you really do go through the seasons of spring and fall. But there was a little town near us called Santa Claus, Indiana that hosted one of the best theme parks I've ever been to, called Holiday World and Splash and Safari. My entire childhood is flooded with amazing memories from this theme park. It's actually what bloomed my interest in theme parks to this day. I went back a couple times and even did some videos there, most recently in 2024. You can check that video out. But growing up there and seeing how fun it was to experience theme parks and rides and roller coasters and even the water park there, I just remember growing up, that was such an amazing part of my childhood. And that bloomed into something bigger. Obviously, I wanted to, for the very first time, come to Florida in 2004. And we went to Walt Disney World Resort for the very first time. Now, I had been a huge fan of Disney. I have loved Disney almost all my life, loved her shows, loved her movie. And I remember, again, growing up and Disney being a part of our family. On Sunday nights, we would watch The Wonderful World of Disney, just like I'm sure some of you did as well. So growing up, Disney was a huge influence. So the first time I got a chance to go see Walt Disney World in Orlando, I was super, super excited. And man, did I get hooked. I remember walking into the theme park for the very first time. We were at Disney's Hollywood Studios. And at the time, it was MGM Studios. So we walked in, and I remember standing in the middle of the Big Blue Hat. If you remember the Big Blue Hat, it was a really big deal back then. And I was underneath there, and it was like a pin trading company underneath there. And I just remember sitting there, and all of a sudden I get a tap on my shoulder. And I kind of ignored it at first. I just figured it was nothing. And got another tap on my shoulder, and I turned around, and to my surprise, it was the very first Disney character interaction with Pinocchio. And oh my God, it made me turn into a 10-year-old boy again. And I absolutely, from that moment, was hooked with Walt Disney World and all things theme park. Which is one of the reasons why I love sharing content about Walt Disney World, Universal Studios Orlando, and SeaWorld Orlando as well. So if you're looking for content about those places on the festivities, all the new things that goes on, new rides, new attractions, and even new hotel resorts. We've just recently did an amazing resort review on a new hotel coming to Universal's Epic Universe. I can't wait for Epic Universe to open. That's going to be a whole other video. I can't wait to these things. This is the first time I've ever been a part of a big, major theme park opening. I'm excited. I can't wait for that. But this channel is really going to focus on those interactions and those videos, and you get to see firsthand all those places that we get to check out. I get to share with you here on this channel. Another wonderful section of our travel channel that we love to focus on is cruising. We absolutely love to go cruising. Now, it was only 2 years ago we took our very first cruise. We took a Carnival Paradise cruise ship out into Tampa Bay, and we went down into Cozumel, Mexico. It was the first time we had ever been out of the country, and man, it was an amazing adventure. And I said then that I would love to start sharing these content and those moments as well. And so ever since then, we've taken six cruises since that time. And man, every single time we go on a cruise, it's a brand new experience, and I always love to showcase those adventures as well. Those videos are also here on the channel, so you can check those out. Special reviews on the ship, the itineraries, the ports. It's always a great way to really get you ready and get you pumped up for your next visit on a cruise line, is to check out some of our content. We've done some videos on Carnival Celebration, which is the largest Carnival ship. And we've done some videos on Royal Caribbean. One thing I'm super excited about is our first ever booking on a Disney cruise ship. Yes, that's right. This fall 2025, we'll be taking the all-new Disney Treasure on its first ever Halloween on the High Seas outside of Port Canaveral. I'm so excited about that. I know Disney is fantastic, and I can only imagine what it's going to be like on a Disney cruise line. So you definitely want to stay tuned to check out those videos and more content about that, Castaway Cay, and so on and so forth. I think we're going to Jamaica, we're going to Georgetown, and again, hitting our favorite spot in Cozumel. So that's going to be coming soon. Those are one of the things that I absolutely love about cruising, is you get to experience all kinds of different ports, and you get to go to different countries, and it's right there. It's simple enough. In between each one of your visits to the port, you get to have fun on an amazing ship. That's what cruising is all about, and I hope you check out our channel to see some of your favorite ships. And if you're about to book a trip, it's a great way to get prepared and get excited about your trip coming up. And truly, the last thing I want to talk a little bit about is why we do this channel and why we love doing it so much. This travel channels really give us an opportunity to travel the world, get to see experiences that we love to share. And one of the things that I've learned about this is I'm helping so many people. I've gotten so many emails and comments and questions about some of the destinations, some of the cruise ships, some of the theme parks, some of the festivities, and I love it. I absolutely love helping you plan out your vacation. I love the fact that I get to showcase all the fun stuff that we get to do each and every trip that we take. I will say one thing that's very important, and is I appreciate the support that I've gotten from each and every one of you. In the last 8 months, we've really been filming for this channel. We've gotten over 3,000 subscribers. Without your support, your love, your kindness, your words, your feedback, I wouldn't be able to continue doing this. I wouldn't have the desire to do that. And I appreciate each and every one of you so much. And I have a goal now, is I want to hit 50,000 subscribers in 2025. If you can help me hit that goal, that's fantastic. Some of the other ways that you can support our channel is through our new Patreon page. The link is going to be in the description of this video, but this is a great way to really continue supporting our channel. We have free versions on there as well, because I love the feedback, the suggestions. If you have a theme park that's near you, or you have a destination that you think would be a great video and some great content that you would like us to share on our YouTube channel, you should reach out to us. Let us know where it is, what it is, and maybe we can come out and make a video on it. We love to travel. We love to see new places. This would be a great opportunity for us to share. And I want to thank you guys for being part of our Homes Away From Home community. And definitely check us out on Patreon at Homes Away From Home. And be sure to check us out on Facebook and Instagram at Homes Away From Home as well. Oh, wait, I almost forgot. One more thing. Get ready for the next adventure.